Let's read it. What's this?
A birthday party.
Whose birthday party is this?
Um,
Read this. What's this?
Lisa.
Yeah, Lisa. It's Lisa. Okay, read it.
Lisa went to a birthday party on Saturday. They were baby girls. They were playing a lot of great games at the birthday party. Then they had the rest of a girl got balloons as party favorite. Lisa the red balloon.
Okay. So now you tell me what happened here.
Where?
Like,
Where?
what happened at the birthday party of Lisa?
Lisa went to the birthday party.
Okay, so it was not Lisa's birthday party, yeah? That means she went to the birthday party. Okay. And what happened there?
They were playing and they had balloons and there were lots of games.
They had what they had to eat over there.
Oh, cake
And
cupcake.
and no, there is some word written here that they had something to eat there. In this paragraph, what's written here? They had this. What's this?
I don't know.
So, can you blend it? Say the sound.
Do S
Or dessert. Okay. So they had dessert. Okay. Now, what kind of balloon Lisa loved?
Lisa loved the balloon.
What kind of?
Red.
Red balloon. Okay. Now these are the questions for you. Circle the correct answers.
Okay. It's the birthday.
Birthday. Good job. Next. There were many girls or boys there?
Girl.
Girls. Okay, good job. Read the next sentence.
They were playing games.
Games. Okay. Let me mark it. Games. Good job.
A dessert.
Dessert. Okay.
Balloon.
Good job. Okay. Now look, your answers are correct. Well done.